So I've got the JBL Flip 7, and today let me show you how to pair and connect this speaker to your iPhone. Now, the first thing you want to do is turn on the speaker. So press this button to turn it on. Now the speaker will go on, and if you've not connected it to another device, you will see this Bluetooth light blinking. Now, if it's not blinking, you want to press on it and it's going to start blinking and making that sound to let you know that it is in Bluetooth pairing mode. So anytime you see it blinking like this, it means it's in Bluetooth pairing mode and it's ready to pair to a device. So what you want to do now is go to your iPhone and go to Bluetooth, and then under Bluetooth, first of all, make sure Bluetooth is on, and then now you can scroll and look for JBL Flip 7. Tap on that, and that's going to get connected. So you can see now it's connected for audio. If you come here, you can see JBL Flip 7 connected, and you can tell it's connected because there's going to be a steady light on the Bluetooth icon. It has stopped blinking, as you might have noticed, and that's basically how to pair and connect. It's really that simple. Now you can go a step further and download the JBL app. So if you don't have the app already, you want to go to the App Store and then look for the JBL portable app. This app right here. So if you don't have it installed, go ahead and install it. And then now you can tap on open, and with the speaker connected, you can see it's already been detected, the JBL Flip 7, and connected because we already connected via Bluetooth. All right, so that's it. You're ready to go. And of course, the first thing you want to do is update the firmware. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that for another video, but that is how you can pair and set up your JBL Flip 7 with your iPhone for the first time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.